Hello everybody, I am Tony. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today we are going to be playing around with the Makeup Revolution brand new Joker palette. Now I just got this in the mail today. I ordered it the day it went on sale. I got that, and then I got this Joker, I think it says lip gloss, but it's not lip gloss because it dries down. So I absolutely love this box. I'm really into Harley Quinn and the Joker, but I didn't like the Harley Quinn palette. It was too plain, too pastel. It didn't remind me of her. So I kind of just said, forget it. I'm just going to get the Joker and that'll be that. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It is very, very gorgeous. And I have a feeling that I'm going to be doing a green and purple look. These are really, really pretty tones. Some of them I don't get as far as the Joker goes, but you know, there are things that I don't know. I should ask my fiance because he is like the hardcore Joker fan out of the two of us. So I have a whole bunch of brushes in front of me. I have some eye base. So let's start out with this Urban Decay Primer Potion. And I'm just going to put that on here. My eye is stained from another palette, so excuse the pink. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that everywhere. Now, I'm not sure exactly how I'm gonna do this, but because there aren't many shimmers in this palette. Let me see, do I have anything at all? Yes, I do. ColourPop to the rescue. Okay. Okay. We're gonna just grab this Luxie 217 pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into the ColourPop High Society palette in the color, of course, can I see it? Buggin' or something like that. It's right here in the middle. Okay, and I'm just gonna get that, and we're going to hold on. All right, let me grab the green, or okay, just let me put that right there. I still am trying to figure this out. All right, I'm gonna go into the Joker's palette for the purple, and we're going to make that pink stain way, way worse. Way worse. Okay, so what I'm basically doing is I'm taking this beautiful, beautiful purple, and I'm gonna put this kind of everywhere except for right in here. I'm gonna do a cut crease with the ColourPop color on top of it. So I just want this purple to be as dark as possible, but I don't want much fallout. And there isn't much fallout with this, which is wonderful. Okay, so now I'm glad I got out my yucky brush for primer base. Where is it? This is a SL Miss Glam short shader brush, and this is my Alamar sticky pigment base that I'm going to put on this brush that's nasty. I need to do brushes this weekend, no doubt. I already said that like once or twice, but I need to for real. Maybe I'll even do it today. I was supposed to do yard work today, but it's raining and all that. So I mentioned to you guys in a video, I think it was the Monday video or Tuesday video, that I had gotten some new makeup, but it was like special to me. That's what this is. Like, I am so down for the Joker and Harley Quinn and all that stuff anytime at all. And very, very happy to get it. And I'm glad it was Makeup Revolution because it was cheaper and I didn't have to spend so much money. So it was very nice to be able to, there we go. That is beautiful. Let me not mess it up by a little bit more, just a little bit, but not much. Okay, so we're gonna put that there, and then let me clean that out. I'm gonna do the other eye with my Urban Decay primer potion. You guys seem like you're back really, really far, and I think it's just because I have my mirror on the other side, but trying to do this so you can see everything I'm doing. I can't even see everything I'm doing right now. Okay, so there's that. Let's grab that. Give me this. This brush right here is a Lavish. It's a secret brush. I don't know what it is. It's like an angled shader brush or something. I don't know. Angled blending brush. Not sure. It's something. It is something. I got that set from like one of my Voxy charms, which is one of the reasons I don't have to buy brushes like ever because of subscription boxes, because they always come with brushes in them. And sometimes when I get my own picks, I'll pick out brushes to get so that I can have them around if I need them, or give them away if I have too many. So that's always good. I love having extra stuff to give away. So there is that. Now I need to clean that out, but I'll do that in a minute. So let me get this sticky pigment base, which this one is almost done, but I have 2 backups, so I think I'll be just fine. Let me okay, so there's that. Give me this, and let's get this chartreusey color and blend this in. I am loving this. Now I gotta figure out what lipstick to wear with it, which that's gonna be hard. I have a purple lipstick that's really pretty, but it's not the same color of purple, so I don't know. Not sure. So now that I'm done with the color pop, just gonna put that back where it belongs. Clean this out a little bit. You clean this one with all the purple out a little bit. Like I said, I gotta wash my brushes and stuff. I can't keep on going like this, and I'm using weird wonky brushes that I never use just because they're clean. So I need to clean my brushes big time. Okay, so there's that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can do from this palette. Let me see this. Put that there. Okay, this is the Sugar Crystals palette, and we have purple and we have green, but it's like chartreusey green, so I think I'm going to go for the purple. There goes that. Wrong color. That is amazing. I love this. This looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me do this like cockeyed. Okay. And then this, we will do the same thing too. And I love it. We're going to go for the red in a second. All right. So there's that. I'm going to put my sticky pigment base and my other stuff all in the same place. So let me see this. Okay. I really like keeping stuff in the original boxes, but I don't want the box to get messed up. So I'm going to set it over to the side for now. Let's see. Let's put these over here. I got a Lorac Alter Ego lip liner in the color Seductress, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna line. And there we go. Let me put that down there so it's out of my way. And we're going to use the lip gloss that's not a lip gloss because it dries down. So it's more like a liquid lipstick. Look at the doe foot thing on this. It's ridiculous. All right. So, even though this was like an impromptu video and I wasn't really planning on this, let me just keep those together for now. I wasn't really planning on this or anything, and I wanted to use the stuff that I got from the collection. Like, I'm trying to think. I got the Joker brushes, but they're coming from Beauty Bay, and I got the Harley Quinn makeup bag, but that's coming from Beauty Bay. I did get a thing today saying they got across the border, so they're in the country now. So hopefully I'll have them in like 4 or 5 days, and I'm not going to use them. I'll use the makeup bag from Harley, but I'm not going to use the Joker brushes. It's so scarce to see Joker anything as far as makeup goes that I don't want to ruin it. So I'm just going to let it go. I'm going to use this really funky chartreusey eyeliner. And then I'm going to get ready to go. So, how is everyone doing? please let me know. I know you guys usually don't, but that's okay. Let's see. I'm trying to think of a special emoji I want you guys to put in if you're still here with me right now as I'm lining my eyes. And it's not working the greatest because I think this needs sharpened. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Actually, you know what I should do? Let me see. I have a brush right here that'll work perfectly. Where's the palette? Right here. Okay, I'm gonna go into that. That's not what I want either. I want the ColourPop palette. Okay, I'm gonna go back into that same color, that shimmer. I have this flat Luxie 221 flat definer brush, and I'm just gonna make an ugly face because that's what we do when we do makeup. And bam, I love it. I really do. It looks really, really cool. Okay. All right. So there we go. I drug this down a little bit further on that side. So let me see. And if you look at the lipstick, you can tell this is not lip gloss. It's almost all the way dried down. So that is that. I'm so happy that you guys were here to enjoy my new makeup with me because I haven't been getting any much lately. So I really appreciate it, and I'm just happy you're here. So wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, I hope you're having a great one. I'm sorry I'm like lost right now, and I love you all so much. So I will talk to you soon. Sorry, I'm just so discombobulated right this second. But that's it. So bye guys.